I need to tighten this chest harness up a little bit. Are you alright? That's much better. Right guys, we're definitely on a bit of a different one today. I've got a new rifle. It's actually a replica of a M4, or people might know it better as an ar15. C02 powered air rifle. So I'm just going to give it a bit of a test at range. Nice dog. Hello. That is a big boy, that. You should probably have the muzzle and stuff on that, but I'm not one to be saying stuff like that. You alright? I got tiny oil pressure. Feels a bit low. Not terrible, but definitely needs a bit in it. Yeah, so I've got to use the new rifle a bit of a test. Yet. It's just on foot quite enough. Just have to put you there for a bit. There we go. Hopefully it won't be flapping around as much. It's not very good footage when it's bouncing around like a whore on a bed. Luckily enough, up here I'm allowed to, I've got had permission to shoot here up here for, well, when we got out of the motorway bridge on that land there for God, how long? 20 years maybe, nearly. Definitely 15 plus. But I have been for quite a long time. Well, it'll be 6 months or more anyway. But now I'm on decent medication and stuff. Just eased my heart problem a little bit. Don't get as puffed out. Still pretty puffed out like, but alright enough for me to feel like I can come up here. Probably be a different story when I get back home. Fucking hell, see how long the flies then. Range Rover down there. Oh, it's turned down to that big house down there. One of the reasons I haven't been up here for so long as well is, I mean, it's around the same sort of issue, but I can't get the bike over the gate. And obviously the farm locks the gate as well, for obvious reasons. But there's a bit of fencing down at the moment, and has been for a good while, apparently. So I should be alright getting the bike into the land. Yes, it's still down. Just got to be a bit careful because of barbed wire. I don't want any pop tyres. Tighten this thing with my pouch that's around my waist, because I'll be really tripping over it. That's better. Well, maybe able to give it a go. Might have to push the bike over here, but we'll see. These trucks. Oh, just seen a rabbit over there already. The bike up top. It'll be ideal for a bit of cover of that bike. That's brilliant. Back off. Sorry if my breathing's a bit heavy, guys. Just pushing me out a bit, that. And that is the new rifle. Been working on that for years. Like I say, I haven't been up here for a while, so I don't know if there's anyone going to be prowling about. So I thought I'd cover the bike up a bit, so it can't be spotted so easily. camo netting from a place called Sheehan. It's a bit like Timu. Actually, it's a lot like Timu. I lost my keys then. Put the alarm on. Balls. I've got to bring my sling for my rifle. I'll have to carry it all the time. Doesn't matter. Oh God, I've still got my fucking helmet on. Oh, my head was hot. Right, I'll bring you back if we get a bit further down here, guys. See you in a bit.